Experts in the sector, government officials and trade union leaders convened at Walvis Bay to discuss how the convention should cater for the local fishing sector. There are 40 million men and women working in fisheries worldwide, and they are operating in a highly dangerous and mostly unregulated profession. This is why international standards of working and living conditions need to be set, and the International Labour Organization (ILO) is lobbying countries to endorse and implement the Fishing Convention.
It attempts to stabilize the working relationships in the sector while protecting people, but at the same time leaving enough flexibility to be able to fish successfully.
Namibia plans to ratify the convention so that fishers have appropriate working conditions that include medical care as well as better wages. The convention further brings in aspects of fishing vessels monitoring to make sure that no human rights are violated. Trade union representatives, however, raised concern about the monitoring of vessels and called for the inclusion of trade unions.
How is the access of workers and trade unions leadership going to be allocated in that document in order for us to have a freedom of also inspection so that we cannot be excluded from visiting our members?
The Labour Permanent Secretary therefore urged all stakeholders, especially the workers, to go through the convention so that they make a contribution.
And it will be easier for us to implement the provision of the convention because there will be a lot of inspections for both from the labor side as well as from the maritime side. They will combine efforts to make sure that the working conditions on fishing vessels are better.
The meeting also discussed the gap analysis to determine the extent to which national laws can be adjusted to meet requirements of the convention.